The Nike Dunk Low Particle Pink is gearing up to bring fresh energy into sneaker rotations as we move towards spring 2026. Even though the Dunk's hype dipped after its massive run from the late 2010s to early 2020s, its timeless appeal never truly left. What kept the silhouette alive was its clean, versatile two-tone design, rooted in the classic "be true to your school" style, and that same formula powers this new release. Featuring soft rosy pink overlays paired with crisp white leather, the Particle Pink colorway continues the Dunk's tradition of being a reliable everyday sneaker that matches almost any fit. Despite shifting trends, Nike's iconic Peter Moore design still holds a strong place in sneaker culture, proving that its simplicity remains its greatest strength. Slated for a spring 2026 drop, or possibly late 2025, the pair will retail for $115, making it a must-watch release for collectors and Dunk fans.